Our next equation begins as the cube root of x minus 5 plus 2 equals 1. Before you try to get rid of a root, you have to get the root part by itself. We accomplish that here by subtracting 2 from both sides of our equation. This leaves us with the cube root of x minus 5 is equal to, and 1 minus 2 is negative 1. Now, to get rid of the root, we put parentheses around both sides. This time, we don't square both sides because it's not a square root we're trying to get rid of. The inverse of a cube root is raising something to the third. So here we raise both sides to the third power. And now on the left side, the cube root and the cube cancel out, and you just end up with what was under the root, x minus 5. On the right side, negative 1 to the third power is negative 1. To finish, we add 5 to both sides, and we end up with x is equal to 4, like so. Raising both sides to odd powers doesn't give you false answers. If you have time, it's good to go ahead and check your answers always, but raising both sides to an odd power like 3 or 5 won't give you an extraneous solution. Raising both sides to even powers sometimes does that. So with even powers, it really is a good habit to always check your answers. With raising both sides to odd powers, you won't get those kinds of extraneous solutions. If you'd like to try the next problem on your own, pause the video now and resume when you're ready to see the solution. Here, to get the cube root by itself, we would first add 7 to both sides. This leaves us with the cube root of 2w minus 4 is equal to 2. Next, to get rid of the cube root, we put parentheses around both sides and raise both sides to the third. On the left, the cube root and the cube cancel out, and we're left with 2w minus 4. On the right side, 2 to the third power is 8. To finish, we add 4 to both sides, giving us 2w equals 12. Then we divide both sides by 2, and our solution is w is equal to 6.